This Ford Model T was left forgotten in a dusty barn, its glory faded under layers of rust and time. But a dedicated team of mechanics saw the legend beneath the decay and took on the mission to bring this automotive icon back to life. Join us as we witness the incredible transformation of this classic car from a forgotten relic to a pristine masterpiece. Deep within an old wooden barn, a silhouette of history rests silently. An extremely rusty Ford Model T, cloaked in dust and draped with spiderwebs, sits as a forgotten treasure. Rays of sunlight pierce through the weathered wooden walls, illuminating the scene and highlighting the years of neglect this classic has endured. It's a poignant sight, a testament to a bygone era waiting to be rediscovered. A closer look reveals the extent of the decay. Cinematic shots linger on the heavily rusted wheels, their spokes fragile and worn. The leather seats, once a symbol of early automotive luxury, are now cracked and brittle. A thick layer of dust covers the steering wheel, and the iconic metal badge is faded, its shine long gone. The headlights, like vacant eyes, are broken and dull, reflecting the car's long slumber in the darkness. The silence is broken as two mechanics swing open the massive barn doors, their faces a mix of awe and determination. The discovery of the Model T is a pivotal moment, a promise of resurrection. With flashlights cutting through the gloom, they begin their initial inspection, their beams tracing the car's classic lines and assessing the monumental task that lies ahead. With careful effort, the team pushes the fragile car out of its tomb and into the daylight. The Model T is gently guided onto a trailer, its journey toward a new life finally beginning. The transition from the dark, dusty barn to the open air marks the end of its long hibernation and the start of its meticulous restoration. The first step is a powerful deep clean. A high-pressure washer blasts away decades of accumulated dirt, grime, and debris. As the layers are stripped away, the car's original body is revealed for the first time in years. This cleansing is not just about removing dirt, it's about uncovering the soul of the machine hidden beneath. Now the real work begins. In the workshop, the mechanics start the careful process of disassembly. Wheels are removed, followed by the intricate components of the engine and the worn-out interior. Each part is methodically detached, labeled, and prepared for its own journey of restoration. The fight against rust is intense. Using grinding tools, the mechanics meticulously strip away the corrosion from every metal part. Sparks fly in a dazzling display as the raw, healthy metal is exposed, ready to be treated and protected for the future. The heart of the Model T, its vintage engine, receives special attention. Each component is painstakingly cleaned, repaired, and rebuilt. The goal is not just to make it run, but to restore it to its original specifications, preserving the engineering genius of its time. Simultaneously, the body panels are brought back to their former glory. Dents are hammered out, damaged sections are expertly repaired, and the entire surface is smoothed to perfection, creating a flawless canvas for the next stage. In a professional paint booth, the car is transformed. A coat of glossy, deep black paint is applied, giving the Model T a stunning, mirror-like finish. This luxurious coat of paint restores the car's elegance and prepares it for its grand reassembly. The moment of rebirth is near. The fully restored engine is carefully lowered back into the chassis. The gleaming wheels are bolted on, and brand new luxury leather seats are installed, completing the interior's revival. The final reveal is a breathtaking sight. The once rusty relic now stands as a shining, fully restored Ford Model T. Every detail, from the polished chrome to the lustrous paint, reflects the passion and craftsmanship poured into its restoration. Then comes the moment of truth. The key turns, and the engine roars to life for the first time in decades, its deep, resonant sound echoing the spirit of a bygone era. It's a symphony of restored mechanics, a testament to the team's dedication. Finally, the restored classic car embarks on its first drive. It glides gracefully along a peaceful countryside road, its presence a beautiful anachronism in the modern world. The journey is smooth, a celebration of its return to the road. As the sun begins to set, a drone captures a final cinematic shot. The shiny vintage Ford Model T drives toward the horizon, its silhouette framed by the warm glow of the setting sun. This incredible restoration journey has come to an end, but for this timeless classic, a new chapter has just begun. We hope you were inspired by this story of passion, dedication, and the revival of a true automotive legend.